Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday, and this week Trikitt on Deviantart had put up a journal that was like them wanting to they put up adoptables and designs and stuff they were willing to like trade or sell or whatever, and I offered some art for one that I really liked, which you'll probably see in a video soon because it's like a really simple design but like really aesthetically pleasing to me, so I'm really excited to draw them and do a toy house profile for them and all that stuff. But yeah, I wanted to draw their Pwee character, Pwee lun. I couldn't like I almost man, there's so many in the folder of characters that they were offering, that they had given me permission to draw, I guess. And yeah, I really wasn't sure, but I clicked on the Pwee pack and I was like, ooh, really like this one's colors. And like the more I just realized that that's because it's like one of my favorite color schemes, the like black and blue with like maybe some white. But yeah, I really was like inspired by the style that the person who drew the like ref sheet did the like line art in. So that I did like a new thing. I used the like brush tool with I used the same level of stabilizer that I always use, but I don't know, I just really enjoyed myself doing the line art. It sucks that you can't really see it that much because the colors are so dark, but yeah, I just really enjoyed doing the line art, and just it was a very fun character. I like it when I get tasked to draw characters that I really like. But yeah, I don't have too much to say about this, so I'll just let you guys enjoy the music. I'm trying a new track, which is not that long, because the Animal Crossing just keeps getting copyrighted, and like I don't really care, but I also don't want my channel to get deleted because like I worked hard for my 370 subscribers. I don't want to start over. So yeah, I put up a new track. Let me know if you think the videos are too short. Just the Sketchbook Sunday ones. But I think it should be okay. I really like the track. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.